I tested the most powerful AI tools on iPad, and these four basically run my entire workflow. This is Meta AI, and it's already inside Instagram and WhatsApp. Most people don't even realize it's there. You can ask questions, generate ideas, even create images instantly. And you don't need to download anything. It's just built into apps you already use. This basically runs my entire life. Notion AI. You've got notes, to-do lists, templates, everything in one place. But the best part is the AI. I can take messy thoughts like this and instantly turn them into something structured. Same information, just actually usable. This replaced Google for me. Perplexity. Instead of opening loads of links, it just gives you the answer. And it shows you exactly where it got the information. So you get AI answers with real sources. It's basically research in seconds. And for visuals, this is insane. Canva AI. You can create thumbnails, posts, presentations in seconds. You start with nothing, and suddenly you have a full design. No design skills needed for this. But the real power isn't using these separately. It's using them together. Idea, Meta AI, Plan, Notion, Research, Perplexity, Design, Canva. That's my entire workflow on an iPad. Try use one of these today, and you won't use your iPad the same way again. And I didn't even show the craziest one.